Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is beef chow mein. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Those of you who've watched my chicken chow mein recipe know I had some domestic strife over that recipe, so let's hope this one goes a bit better. First we marinate the beef. Simply put the beef strips in a suitable sized bowl, add a teaspoon of corn flour, soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine and sesame oil and combine together. Then when you're ready to cook, simply heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan until it's nice and hot and add the beef strips. Fry off for 2 or 3 minutes, then simply remove from the pan and reserve. Next we add the garlic and onions and fry again for 2 or 3 minutes, making sure you get all the nice tasty bits off the bottom of the pan. When this is done, add the beef back to the pan and mix through. Next it's time to combine the noodles into the beef mixture. Next it's time to add the bean sprouts. Now this is where me and my wife fell out over the last chicken chow mein recipe. So the basic rule of thumb is let her put as many bean sprouts in as she damn well wants. Life's a lot simpler that way. I'll put a link in the end cards to that video. When you've jumped the bean sprout hurdle, add the green parts of the spring onions and mix through. Next you add a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, a tablespoon of light soy sauce and a tablespoon of oyster sauce and thoroughly combine with the noodles. Then continue to fry for a minute or two and then serve. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.